Hello, this video will tell you about barcodes in total network inventory. With this feature, you can enter any text information into the device field and then convert it into a barcode. The program allows you to create linear and two-dimensional barcodes. Let's take a closer look at this mode. To start working with this mode, go to the corresponded tab, which can be found in the program's additional menu. In this window, the left column allows you to add a barcode, and the right column allows you to enter information in the barcode field. The functionality of the Barcodes mode is similar to the General Fields mode. That is, when you add a field on the left side of the window, it will be common to all. And the information entered in the field on the right will apply to each device individually. To understand how it works, let's add a few barcodes. Using the left column and the Add button, select the desired barcode from the list. Enter a name for this barcode field. The name and field for this barcode will be applied and shown to all devices. Now select any of the devices and enter individual values for each of them. As you can see, the selected field remains the same for all devices, but the information entered in this field is different. This allows you to build reports based on the data provided in these fields. Now let's add several other barcodes. If necessary, you can delete the field by clicking on the cross icon. But if you want to make changes, double-click on the selected area. You can also set conditions for a single barcode for multiple devices. To do this, enable multiple selection mode and select multiple devices. If the barcode has different values on different devices, the program will display a notification about this. When you select multiple devices and enter data into the code, all previously recorded values on all devices under this barcode will be overwritten. A corresponding warning window will notify you of this. As you can see, the changes were only applied to the devices that were selected in the multiple selection. Now, let's look at how to make those values in barcodes get added automatically. This may be necessary if you need to have a clear data order during inventory, assign a single value to all items, or preserve the structure of values. To do this, we will use the value generator, which can be found in Storage Properties. This section allows you to perform various operations with barcode entries. The left side of the window contains the names of the current barcodes. In its turn, the right side has counters and templates, which can contain various values and are limited only by the parameters of the selected barcode. Using the counter input field, you can enter your own value or use predefined commands to create your own template. You can create your own unique value by adding a hash symbol. Let's add a few parameters that will be displayed in the device barcodes. Let the serial number field be based on a unique serial number, device address, and its own network name. Next, we will create new barcode strings for all devices using the Generate button. Enter the following value so that it is displayed on all devices and overwritten if the devices already have a different entry. Finally, let's create a template containing code that will display additional information in barcodes. As we see, all new barcode values were created according to the specified templates. The codes and their values have been created, but how the barcode can be seen itself. To do this, use the display button in the barcode field. You can save the opened image immediately or export it via the additional menu in the corner of the current image. You can also export all barcodes for a device by selecting it in the network tree and opening the context menu. The same action can be applied to a group of devices. Apart from the main barcode mode, you can view all previously created codes in screen report mode. To do this, go to the Viewer and Reports tab and select the appropriate template on the sidebar. The program will display all barcodes entered for this device or group of devices. Using the current report mode, the displayed barcodes can be viewed and sent to print in both brief and full forms. While in the current mode, you can search for any of the barcodes. The search results will be displayed immediately. You can also use barcodes to search for devices. To do this, switch the search bar above the network tree to the barcode position, and then enter the code in the search bar. In this case, it will be convenient to enter the code values using various external hardware or software scanners. TNI will immediately display devices with the specified code. If you want the program to not only display information about the device but also select it immediately, enable this setting in the program options. When entering code values, the found devices will be immediately selected in the network tree. Using the barcode functionality in TNI lets you greatly simplify the process of keeping track of all devices in your organization. It will also help you add new information, change data, or simply search for existing devices. Thanks for watching.